If you work with inventory or hold any quantity of stock, you'll know the importance of tracking inventory and supply chain metrics that keep your business healthy. Chances are you also have a regular reporting cycle, or even better, monitor your supply chain and inventory metrics in real time with dashboards. But what are the most important metrics to track? What are the metrics, reports, and KPIs that are really going to move the needle in your business? Well, here are 4 metrics and reports that we at Unleashed see as particularly important. One of the fundamentals of running a product-based business is knowing which SKUs are moving quickly and what's going slow. To track this, you want to monitor the average days to sell across your business. This is a built-in KPI in Unleashed, and you can zoom in and out from an overall view right down to an individual product level for an instant FSN analysis. Again, this is a powerful metric for spotting fast and slow moving items, and it's a good one for your regular reports. Your annual stock turns figure tells you how many times you sell through your entire stock holding in a given year. Monitoring lead times is an important part of supply chain management. On the one hand, you want to monitor your different suppliers so you know which ones are delivering promptly and which aren't. And you can even feedback to them to help them stay on top of their performance. And at a more holistic level, it's really important to be able to see when and where supply chain disruptions might be affecting your business, so that when you see lead times blowing out, you know you need to increase your stock holding to ensure business continuity. The metric that we use in Unleashed software is average delivery days, and of course you can filter that regionally, by product, across different time periods and so on. Now, on the face of it, this might not sound like a supply chain or inventory metric, but a good system, like Unleashed, lets you add costs to both your purchase orders and your assemblies. Costs like labour, duties, freight, so that you get an accurate landed cost for your goods. With all that cost information in your system and your sales on the same platform, you have instant access to your profit margins, and that's a phenomenally powerful insight to be able to access so quickly. At Unleashed, we've built that data right into the system with dashboards that show you your gross margin percentage on product categories, individual products by location, even the margins you make by customer, so that you can see where your sales team's efforts are best spent. So I hope that's been a useful insight into inventory and supply chain metrics. As you can see, there's a balance to be found between traditional business reporting and the kind of real-time data access that modern software allows. If you want to talk to us about finding that balance in your business, or just want to learn more about Unleashed, there's much more to be found in the links below. And until then, my name's Greg Rowan, and I'll see you on the next video.